Chica.
He's taking souls with him.
Isn't it because he does the Make-A-Wish Foundation thing?
That's what he's getting on there. Yeah, you've got to get a lot worse. When it's really bad, you get to meet Johnny Depp as Captain Jack Sparrow.
Oh, there's me. Oh, no.
Johnny Depp.
Chica.
Oh, sorry.
Sit down. Sit down.
Every year,
Meow.
Hooters would sponsor our one basketball tournament. Alright, so every year Hooters would bring like 3 or 4 waitresses, and they would present like a big cardboard check donation to the Special Olympics. As soon as the girls entered the gym, the game changed entirely, dude. It went from like hugs and sportsmanship to just like dudes got competitive, like very competitive. Fucking ripping down rebounds, just hitting layups. And then at the end of the game, there'd be a hotline. Yeah, that went about exactly.
Chica. Jesus Christ. You sit with freckles.
I'm not knocking the players. They were totally in the right. The girls were hot. The waitresses, like every year, I would sneak into the hug line myself. All right, I think I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thank you guys very much. It was a lot of fun. Thank you.
He is funny. I'm not going to deny that. Jeez. He is funny, but again, very on the line where I'm struggling, where it's just like, oh my god, did you just see that?
Get her. Go get her. Go get mama.
Silly in your face.
Get her. Get mama.
Leave the cat alone.
That's not your cat. Get mama.
You don't like that.
Where's my tooth? Where's my tooth? Right here? Right here? Is that mine? Is that mine? Get mama.
Chica. He's irritated now.
You bite mama? You bite mama?
Chica.
You bite mama?
See?
Oh, freckles. Got a problem.
It's the freckles. Chica, leave her alone.
I like kiss freckles. Hello.
She's crazy.
Hello.
She don't want to play.
This is why I
Daisy, leave the cat alone. What? What's that? What's that, Daisy? Daisy. Hey, Daisy. She's so serious. See? She's so